guys how this quick palette, volume 3 of the blush Juvia's Place blush duos. This color is stunning. This is up with this, my concealer. I'm gonna add this on the lid, and I'm gonna brush her down. Like I would do a liquid eyeshadow. If you want, at this point, you can go ahead and set it with whatever face powder you had used from your look. At this point, I'm gonna set it with Cinnamon Bun. Doesn't take much from the color. I just need it to dry down before I go in with this this shade over it and flare that out effortlessly like nobody's business. She's not here to play. This is a fun okay. What I'm gonna do first is press that on this current shade to mattify it even more. And then you go to blending. On the crease and outer part, I'm gonna use the top shade. I could use the same brush to press that on here. You could also use your bronzer if you like. Mind you, I'm putting forth the effort to add more colors on my summer look, more colors on my daily look. Granted, your blush palette and bronzer palette can definitely come in handy, but let's add more color, okay? If you want to use a separate brush, I'm using another brush with nothing on it, adding on the setting powder to give me something to blend the edge with. Blend, blend, blend. All right. A smaller brush to intensify this top shade on the outer part. On the outer V of the lid. Alrighty. We can choose to flare out the whole shadow or blush, or just keep it tight. This situation right now, she's doing her thing. She's flaring all the way out. Bottom lid is gonna stay bare on this look, you guys. Hopefully this palette give you guys ideas. These blushes can be used as eyeshadow toppers or eyeshadow base. So we put all these two, we put these two on the lid for the day, and we got pigmentation, we got easy blurring, easy blending happening, and simple easy. We're gonna put some eyeliner on and or eyelashes, and I'll see y'all back. What do you guys think? Let me know how you feel about the look. I'm feeling it. We're extra blushy today. And hope y'all enjoy the brow look, the eye look, the face look, 3-in-1 type of situation. And I'll see you guys on another one.